Welcome, welcome to the first voiceover of season 2, sponsored by Vanity Bae. It's so on brand, because y'all my baes, okay? And now they one of my baes. I'm so late, Vanity Bae, with this video, but I'm sorry, it's going to be worth it. Listen, I know y'all are like, Candy, you don't wear press-ons. First of all, this is a nail channel. It's not just about what I like. I want to show y'all things in all areas of nails. Everybody don't want 3-inch claws. Some people got jobs and they need something that they can put on for a weekend, a day, whatever they need. And they don't maybe even want to do damage to their nails. And these nails are perfect for that. Also, my good Judy, a good friend of the channel, if y'all want to be a super sponsor like NATO and get you some nails, well, okay. Well, NATO said she wanted some custom nails from the girls. And when they reached out to me, Vanity Bae, I was like, this is perfect. This is perfect. I know exactly how I can use these because I wanted to do custom pressed on nails, but I didn't know how to size them for people. I was like, I don't know how I'm going to do it. So Vanity Bae made that possible. They was like, girl, we're going to send you some sets. I said, you going to send me some sets, girl? They said, we're going to send you some sets. And then they let me pick the sets. I said, girl, let me pick some sets. I picked some sets, y'all. I picked some sets. And y'all know I wasn't just going to leave them. I mean, this is a channel of extravagance, okay? Of extraness on a budget, okay? I'm trying to be fancy all the time in my life as much as I can be. And I want you to feel the same way. And nails help you do that. But some of us, we're on a budget. We got jobs. We don't have time for that. We just don't. And this product right here, considering my boo NATO's life, was perfect. It was a perfect collaboration for everyone. So when I got the package, the AC went out. I said, okay, devil. You ain't gonna stop nothing. You gonna delay some things. But I was thinking in the heat of the night. And I said, okay, I'm just going to focus on how can I bling these nails out. So what I decided to do for my good Judy was I wanted to leave her some plain nails, but also give her some blinged out nails so that she could wear the set as is and also have some nails to like mix and match and, put the set together how she wanted, and also make sure she had all the sizes she needed. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you, I think I like 5 of each set. So don't think you're going to have to sit through all 24 designs, but there's 24 nails in each pack. They come with the glue, the little tabs if you don't want to do glued on press-ons. They come with a file, a cuticle pusher. I mean, everything you need to pop these. You can do these in the car. You can do these at work. You got a little date real quick. Boom. They even got toenails. Y'all know I love wearing other people's toenails. Now see, I was so excited I didn't even get any of the toenails, but maybe y'all will see some of their toenails in the future. I don't know because I'm already on CP time and they might be upset and I got to make it up to them. So Vanity Bae, I love you. I had a good time working with these products. Now, as you can see, I'm using the tweezers. I put a little embellishment, like I said, on some of the nails, but I left some of the nails a solid color so that she could put the set together the way that she wanted to. So I got a little girly-ish with the white, which is called Cocktail Attire. And I did a little bit different, like beach theme with the Sugar Daddy. Because I felt like, okay, if you got a sugar daddy, he probably taking you somewhere, girl. Taking you to the beach or something. I mean, if you got a sugar daddy and he ain't taking you to the Sizzler, I mean, then do you have a sugar daddy? Okay. And if you are real bad, Vanity Bae, you need multiple options. So I gave her multiple options. And so that's what I'm showing you here. Don't worry. It's going in the frame. Okay. Y'all about to see Sugar Daddy in frame. All right. My camera neck is tragic. Tragic, honey. Tragic. These nails though, well, they are not tragic. They are fabulous. They were giving me everything I needed. And I felt like, although these are not probably NATO's personal style as far as bling, it's kind of my style. And, you know, it's kind of like me trying to put it in a gift-like way. But I also want to make it beginner friendly, like for somebody who's watching this video, so that you go out and get you some Vanity Bay, you can see how you can accessorize your nails and, you know, just do a little zhuzh. You know what I mean? If you don't have time to do acrylic and all that filing, this is, again, a product for you. Because you can just throw your gemstones on it. Some of these pre-made charms were like they're kind of clustered already for you, and be out. You can be at your party. You can be at your dinner. You can be at your date, graduation, a court hearing. I don't know why you need these nails. Okay? Whatever you need nails for in your life, me and Vanity Bay and I are about to show you why this is a great investment for you. Wait till you see the price. I'm not going to tell you the price yet, because you probably think it's expensive. It's not. These are so affordable that you could do 3 or 4 blinged out sets for probably less than a third of one set in a shop. And you can take them off and reuse them multiple times. So you can do things for particular events, or if you just want to have a style like for your weekend. I love Vanity Bay for sending these over and making this possible so that I can create this set for NATO and also give other people an option and a way for me to create content and show you how to do it. So as you see, I'm just literally taking some of my gemstones, taking some of my clusters. I'm using a little bit of nail glue, putting them on the nail. Super easy. Super easy. Cut, paste, glue. You ain't even got to cut. You ain't even got to cut. Paste. Paste. It's just pasting. It's just a little pasting. Okay? Little zhuzhing. I don't know what you want to see. When you start to bling, it just comes to you. It just says right here, stay. And you go, okay, girl. And that's what was happening with these nails. And this one right here is my favorite. I was like, let me slow down, because NATO got a job. Okay? I don't want anyone calling her into HR because her nails are so sexy. All right? She already about to have a sugar daddy with these. Okay? Then she go on a cocktail hour with the other ones. Girl, I couldn't even show y'all the Galaxy. I got another set planned for those. Girl, I couldn't show y'all. She would get fired. She would get fired if she wear these nails every day. Okay? So Vanity Bay, thank you for making it possible for my other bae to be sexy on the weekends and not lose her job, because we need her to have her job. I need y'all to have y'all jobs. I was somewhere the other day and this guy was like looking at my nails, and he said, "You clearly don't work anywhere with a computer." I said, "Sir, I don't work at all." And that's why you need to come over here and get these for 50% off. Okay, I think right now they got a special. You get 2 or 3 sets. I don't want to misquote because I have to go look back at their sale. But listen, they're $12.99. 50% off, they're $6. Affordable for everybody. Everybody. 24 nails, even at $12. Great. And they're always running a special. As you can see, they got different shapes, different sizes. They got toes, even children's, like kids' nails. They even have those. They're so cute and adorable and age appropriate. Vanity Bay has you covered. These are not your regular like press-on nails. If I was just wearing press-ons and I didn't bling, I would wear these. They're sturdy. They're not really like thin. Like you could glue them on and go about your life and not have to worry about them popping off, as long as you prep properly. It's always key in any nail application, guys. And I told you, they send you the stuff with it in this little kit so that you can prep properly and have your nails put on and secure, because that's what the girls want. Look what we did for my baes. Look what I did for her. And I want y'all to do this for yourself. Grab you some Vanity Bay. Grab your bling and start practicing, even just practicing your nail art. Thank you, Vanity Bay, for sending these over. You know what I mean? Because your girl had some ideas and y'all made it possible for me to complete those ideas for NATO. So thank you, and thank you, and thank y'all for watching and supporting. Y'all will see another video using this, I think it's ametrine or amber. I can read. It's amaretine or either ametrine. I don't know how these companies, people be throwing in them extra letters trying to confuse you. I am of the generation of reading phonetically. Okay? Don't do me. I got on these nails. Okay? This is me showing you how sturdy they are. They're good quality, people. Try them. There's a code. I got a code. It's Candy Claws. Get you a little something. Get you a little something. Tell them I sent you. And then go and either wear them as is, because they're beautiful alone, or zhuzh them up. Make them fancy. Possibly get fired from your job. I don't know. Don't take it too far. Don't take it too far, babe, because I want you to stay employed. This is a great set for you if you have a job. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good night. Bye-bye.